Let's now look at average pool 1D in TensorFlow. And for that, we are creating a tensor that is of the shape of 1 by. So we just have 4 elements in it. It's one dimensional, but we do need to add the batch and channel. So our shape becomes 1 by 4 by 1. That's the tensor we have. And then for kernel size, we'll do the averaging with two numbers. And so we just have a dimension here, which is 2. So this, so that let me delete that. So we just have dimension where we'll use two values, and similar to average pool, here we have the average pool, but then because this is 1D, we need to specify the 1D here, and that's going to be the lowercase 1D, and rest of it stays the same. Input tensor we have created above, we have the kernel size. Strides, we just put one integer value, and now when we run this, we get an output which is 1.5, 2.5, 3.5. So this is 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 divided by 2, that gives us the 1.5. Then likewise, if we add 2 plus 3 divided by 2, that gives us the 2.5. And when we get the average of the last two numbers, 3 plus 4, that gives us the average of 3.5. That is right here. So that was it in this video on how to implement average pool 1D in TensorFlow. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, please do let me know in the comment section below. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you.